This webinar is just to celebrate and Yinka Taiwo's birthday, 21st birthday precisely. So don't ask questions. And we only have about 45 minutes so that everybody can attend to whatever they want to do. But this webinar is to address issues in the crypto industry or sector, as it were. There are about 5 speakers, and it will be rounded up by the celebrant himself. Some of the people are not here yet. They'll be joining us. But David Ayeni will start with us. But before we start with David Ayeni, I'm sure some of us might want to wish Yinka happy birthday. If not, like me, I'm wishing you the best in this your new birthday here. And I know that most of the people joining us are also wishing you the same. So we wishing the best, and we praying that all your desires. Mr. David Ayeni is going to talk about how crypto has grown from a no value space to a multi-dollar sector today. So I will be handing you over to each speaker. Each speaker, we have about 8 minutes to speak, after which Yinka Taiwo himself will round it up. So like I said, 45 minutes, 50, we're out of here. So thank you for joining, and I hope we enjoy. Please, everybody, when the speaker is speaking, let's mute our own mics. And if we have questions, please, you can send the questions on chat. The speakers will reply you back, either via your email or through Yinka himself. I hope you enjoy it. David Ayeni, I'm handing over to you. Thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. Or let me say, ladies and gentlemen. I know there's no lady that's on the. Oh, sorry. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a privilege for us to be here to celebrate our wonderful friend, Yinka Taiwo. Kudos to you. You have been a blessing, and you have impacted the life of many people. And that's why we are coming together to use this to celebrate this your wonderful day. We know your heart desire is everybody to be crypto wise. So without no much ado, I'm going straight to what I'm commissioned to do here today. Permit me to share my screen. I believe we are all seeing the screen. I'm going to go straight to the matter, like our moderator, my wonderful chairman, have just that introduced me now, said. My name is David Ayeni. Quickly, I will just take you through some things that are very critical. You have to look into when you are about to compare the crypto and gold investments. Whatever kind of investment you've been doing before. Some of us are into property investment, like stock investments. But I wanted to tell you one of the best investments you can engage to in this dispensation is about cryptocurrency. And quickly, I'm diving into it right now. There's some parameters. I believe you can see my screen now. There's some parameters that I just want us to use as a point of our discussion in the next 8 minutes. The first thing I'm going to bring up to our attention is the investors. Who, when it comes to gold, our investors are high and mighty. Majority of them are capitalists, because it's capital intensive before you can invest into gold. Why? In the case of cryptocurrency, it's a little bit different. It accommodates everybody, whether you are high, whether you are low, whatever your daily income or your monthly salary is, you can also be an investor. I remember when I started cryptocurrency, I started investing with less than 1,000 Rand. Today, that investment of 1,000 Rand has jumped up to $30,000 to $40,000 now. So anybody can invest, or anybody can be an investor. Marketplace. The marketplace is an open and centralized market when it comes to cryptocurrency. And why in gold, it is a centralized market. So we have to also be careful of that. Also, when we look, we have to consider the volatility of the market. Yes, when it comes to gold, the volatility is very low, and that is why its ROI. It's not something that you can bank on. Yes, people will say gold it's something that is durable, and it can also succor the tension of any economic breakdown in any country. For example, when the dollar goes up, gold is always stable. But I'm telling you, the volatility of cryptocurrency is what gave it advantage, because of the decentralized market. The people determines the market. That's why it's volatile. Today, if 5 million people comes into the market, they can dictate the market. It's not a market whereby it's the government that determines it or some capitalists. And also, it's very secured. When you invest into cryptocurrency, it's very difficult to be counterfeited. While on the other side, gold can easily be adulterated. You can find this counterfeit, and it takes a lot of expertise to be able to differentiate a real gold. For example, we have in gold, we have 18 karat gold, 21 karat gold, 14 karat gold. Someone can sell for you 14 karat gold instead of 21 karat gold. But when it comes to cryptocurrency, if it is Ethereum, it's going to be Ethereum. It cannot change from Ethereum. If it is going to be Bitcoin, it's going to be Bitcoin. If it's going to be Kingdom Coin, it's going to be Kingdom Coin. There's no way someone can perverse or change the identity of your coin. And also, when it comes to state sovereignty, in the issue of gold, you will find out that highly governmental influence on gold determines the price of gold most of the time. If the American government decided to lower the price of dollar, you see gold will begin to go up. But this is not applicable when it comes to cryptocurrency, because it's decentralized. Nobody has sovereignty over the entire currency. It's worth investing in. And also, if we also look into the decentralization of cryptocurrency, it gives you advantage, because when you're talking about decentralized, that means nobody owns it. Nobody has the control. But when it comes to gold, everybody, the people that are in charge of the stock exchange in London Meta Exchange, can decide what the gold is today, and there is nothing you can do about it. But when it comes to cryptocurrency, nobody, no institution can decide to say Bitcoin is going to go up, Ethereum is going to go down. So these are the advantage that we all have when we invest into it. It depends on the common man like you and me to decide the future of your investment. So nobody's going to be manipulating you. No stock house, no special institution can manipulate your investment. So these are some of the advantage that you have in cryptocurrency investment against gold investment. And the person that is talking to you, I'm a professional gemologist. I deals with the study of stone and the appraisal of precious metals. So I know what I'm saying to you when I say that.
You have 1 minute.
Finally, thank you. Finally, we are going to talk about the ROI. When you're talking about the ROI, like I said, the ROI is the return on your investment. If you check what I showed, what if you check the PowerPoint that I'm showing you right now, quickly 2009 to 2021, we have more than 350,000% increase on the ROI of Bitcoin. And when you check the one of gold from 2000 to 2020, the turnover for that 5 years is not up to it's not up to 2,000% compared to the one that is over 350,000%. So I advise anybody that wants to go into any investment these days, think twice and invest in cryptocurrency. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the short presentation. I'm told that David Ajibade has joined us. Am I correct? Hello, is David Ajibade with us now? Okay, is Mr.
Hello, yes, David Ajibade is here. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I put it on mute, so
okay.
I was talking, I put it on.
No, it's fine, sir.
Sorry about that.
Oh, yeah, we're sorry. Mr. David will be presenting, we'll have a short presentation for us too. He's going to talk about investment in relation to crypto and real estate investment. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. You have 8 minutes. Can you kick off, sir?
Oh, I thought I'm doing it maybe after two other people.
Are you ready? You are not ready. Okay. Is Mr. Balogun with us? Balogun Israel. Is Balogun Israel with us? Can you unmute your mic, please? Inketao, can you unmute your mic? We can't hear Balogun Israel.
No, he's there. Balogun is there.
Okay. Can he do his own presentation? Can we have his own presentation now?
He's left now.
Okay.
I saw him now.
No. Okay. In the meantime, I think we are going to do things backwards. I think we'll rather let Yinka speak to us because I think it's also in relation to crypto and real estate. Yinka, you can speak to us for 10 minutes and whoever joins us in can do that. If nobody joins us, then we can just round it up out of the presenters.
Okay, thank you so much, everybody. I'm super excited to be here tonight because of what is really happening. And I thank everybody that is here, people from Canada, Nigeria, London, Nigeria. Welcome every one of you. So the last time I did a video on how a friend sent something to me. He said I should invest in real estate. That if I put 10 million naira into real estate, in 5 years' time, I will have 19,600,000 naira. So when he said that, I told him, I said, look, I will not be investing in real estate for now. He said, why? I said, because I've seen something that is disrupting everything, that everybody is worrying everybody. So I said, okay, let me do something for you. So I went back 5 years ago. Now, if you put 10 million naira into real estate 5 years ago, and in 2021, you will have 19,600,000 naira. So now, and I said, if you put that 10 million naira into real estate, and I did the calculation, I went inside Coin Marketplace. I went to Coin Marketplace. I put out the charts. So that time, Bitcoin was being sold for $433. So when we now multiply it by 10, when we now divided everything by 10 million naira, at the rate that they were exchanging naira then, they were exchanging naira for 270. By the time we did the calculation, that means that that time, that 10 million naira will buy 117 Bitcoin. So and I said, okay, now let's now times 117 Bitcoin by the current rate of Bitcoin, which was then, last week, it was $39,000. And I said that with that, you have 2 billion naira. When I sent it back to the guy said, wow. He said, because it's fact and figures. I show him. I said, I don't know the reason why people are not seeing this thing. The purpose of this webinar is to open. We are not asking anybody to buy anything tonight or join anything or don't join anything, don't buy anything, but just find a way of how to get your own crypto portfolio. And don't give money to anybody that said, let me be mining crypto for you. No, don't do that. If you don't know how to buy crypto, you can contact me. We'll show you how to buy it on your own and just put it aside. So a friend of mine was talking to me also. Is one of the moderators. He said, no, I want to come and buy a house in South Africa. What is it? I said, Baba, with what you know about crypto, buy it's in US. Buy a house that you're going to be staying in US and stay there. Every other investment, put it into crypto, because crypto is here to stay, whether they like it or not, whether the government like it or not, whether anybody likes it or not, it's come to stay, because everything is being, everything is changing to the way of crypto. Now, the people that are complaining that crypto is a scam before, JP Morgan, all these banks in Nigeria, they are in America, they are now secretly buying into it. Now, I read something today on Facebook. Facebook is going to be minting NFT. That's another thing entirely. It's going to be minting NFT on Facebook, and people will be doing it. So crypto has come to stay, whether we like it or not. So, and the reason why I'm doing this is that I want the eyes of the people to open to it. Estate business is good if you are doing it for humanity, so that people can have a place to stay. But if you want to do it for investing, make sure you get a portfolio, crypto portfolio. You can like David Ayeni said. He said you can buy small. You don't need big capital. When I introduced it 2 years ago, I told some of my mates, some of my friends, I said, go and buy it, start investing in crypto. And some people listened, some people didn't, but those that listen, somebody started our portfolio with $7,000. And when she showed me a portfolio now, so she started with $7,000. Our portfolio is $100,000 now, 2 years ago. So I don't know what kind of investment. The purpose of this meeting is just to open the eyes of my friend. This is my birthday gift to you. If you have not been investing in crypto, please start doing that. You can buy $10 worth. You can buy $20 worth. You can start a little, but what I always tell people is this, because this is volatile. Yes, it's volatile. It will jump up today. People will be panicking. I will tell them, all my students, all the people I told to buy, when they say, you can't go to the jar, I say, relax. And the people that are the media, because the media did not understand this thing, they will say 900 billion wipe out in crypto. It can't wipe out. It just went down. It's coming up. So I will tell those people, I said, yeah, relax. It will come up. Don't worry, it will come up. And by the time it's I will tell you, I said, no, when you are doing crypto, do it like we are planting cocoa. And don't give anybody any money to trade for you. Now, don't even trade. I don't trade. I told people, I say I don't trade because the market is volatile. What I do is I just buy and keep. You understand it? I buy and keep. In fact, what I did is that I removed my crypto from my hot wallet. I put it in the cold wallet. Cold wallet is like a USB. I put it in my cold wallet and I put it somewhere that I can't have access to it until November. So I can't be tempted to go and sell it. You understand it? So the purpose of this meeting is to let my friends, thank God you are here tonight. The purpose is for you to start investing, have a like we have stock portfolio, then start having portfolio. Please start having crypto portfolio where you have it, you put it aside. Don't, if anybody comes to you and said no, if you when you invest crypto with us, we will trade it. Don't give anybody your money to trade for you. Don't. And if some people said we are doing mining, this is that. Don't. Just buy it. You can buy yourself. I can show you how to buy. You can just go to, if you are in US, go to Coinbase, you register, you can buy. If you have PayPal, you can buy from PayPal in US. And okay, now PayPal announced yesterday that they will start, people in UK can start buying crypto from their PayPal account. You understand it? So you just buy and keep. Don't listen, don't trade, don't do anything. Buy it, keep it. And what in 2015, I bought crypto for $500. One Bitcoin for $500. 2017, when it became $20,000, I sold some of them, and I used the money for things. I used the money to buy cars, and I started selling cars. You understand it? You understand it? But now I've learned that I'm not going to be taking out of those things. Out of those, I'll just keep. So please, this is why I'm doing this tonight. I want to open the eyes of my friends. Let me tell you something. This is a wealth. This one can give us unimaginable wealth that we cannot imagine. Look at it. Somebody invested 10 million naira. Somebody invested 10 million naira. I mean, wait a minute, please. I'll call you back. Somebody invested 10 million naira in 2016. Now, in 10 million naira. In 2021, it become 2 billion naira. Can you imagine it? The only thing that can give us leverage at this time, and I said it, I said the gate man died when Bitcoin came into being. The people that they think that they can become rich, they can only become rich because you know somebody. You don't need to know anybody. You know God, and you have knowledge of Bitcoin. Just be doing it smart. The money that you don't want to use for maybe for 2 years, 5 years. I was telling them that they said, okay, invest in XRP in 4 years. I said invest $100 on XRP, and in 4 years you have $100,000. They said no, it's not possible. But what happened is that SRP has a problem with US government now. The moment they finish the case in court, that SRP will jump from 1 to 100. And those people that are told to buy $1,000 of SRP, they will have 100,000 with a $100 investment. You get what I'm saying? So the purpose of this meeting is to open the eyes of my friends to buy into this crypto thing. It's disrupting everything. It's disrupting everything. People are waking up every day and they are making, just buy and keep. That is my advice. You understand it? Instead of, you want to build us, if you want to build us for humanity, for people to be staying in the house, it's fine. But if you want to invest, if you want to do real estate investment, put your money in crypto. In 5 years' time, if you are going to give birth to a new baby boy, you will name that boy, you will name me Yinka Taiwo. Let me stop here so that you can ask.
Yeah.
So that, so that.
Thank you, Yinka Taiwo. I don't know if
Balo is here. Balo is there.
everybody
Balo is here. Balo is there.
Okay.
Then
All right.
Kenny Adebowale is also here.
Okay, that's good. Can we have Balogun just talking to us for about 7-8 minutes, please, on his own topic?
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Good
sir.
evening, Sars and Mars.
Good evening, sir. You're welcome.
Can you hear me?
Clearly.
Yeah, my name is Balogun. My name is Balogun. My name is Balogun.
Oh,
popularly called Balo.
Balo.
Yeah, everyone for coming tonight. I want to bless God for Pastor Taiwo. Let me start with a story. In 2010, I came across Bitcoin, and then I was able to amass 1,886 bit. I've been online. I've been dealing with e-currencies then. The Liberty Reserves, the e-bullions, and all the rest. Now, but because Bitcoin was of less value, it was less than 10 cents then. I didn't know the value. I have to beg a Filipino to dash it to him. Can you imagine if I have that 7,886 with me today?
Yo.
So Taiwo, can you do the mathematics?
Let me do it. How many thousand?
Hearing me?
How many thousand?
7,800, 7,868.
860.
Now, that was a kind of treasure thrown into the sea unknowingly.
$314
But over the
million.
years, I've developed.
Oh, can you hear us? I think Balo is offline. I'm not sure the reception.
Let's Kenny Adebowale speak, please. Then Balo will join us later.
Okay. Kenny Adebowale, can you please have your presentation, sir?
Thank you very much.
Oh, ma'am.
Yo, it's Crypto Mama. We call her Crypto Mama.
Okay. All right.
Thank you so much. My name is Kenny Adebowale, popularly known as Crypto Mama. I know that I'm supposed to talk on how crypto would disrupt banking industry for just 8 minutes. I would like to say this, like I met Pastor Yinka saying that this is the world that everybody can jump in. I know that we're in an era where you cannot lose. It's an opportunity that will take a lot of people that are ready to jump into it, that would liberate them from the level of poverty. And how can we do this is to jump into this, because many banks are folding up. Between 2015 and 2016, April 2015 and 2016 in UK, about 600 bank branches have closed. Even here in America, a lot of the bank branches, they are closing already. Even some stores, they are closing down their stores because a lot of people now are diverting onto online marketing, online purchase, online, everything is online. I have a friend that doesn't even go to shop. He buys everything online. So we are in an era where online has come to stay. You and I will agree with me, in some years ago, we depend on taxes, we depend on buses, but now you can stay in your house everywhere in the world. Now you have the service of Uber, you have the service of Lyft, you have the service of all these car rentals that can come into your house and pick you up and drop you to where you are going. But years ago, it was impossible. Now it is possible. We know that this thing is real. When Amazon started, people were like, it's not going to start, stand the test of time. But here Amazon is, this guy is just getting richer and richer every day. So also it is the same thing with cryptocurrency. Please, I will employ every one of us. If you don't have any knowledge about it, you can reach out to Pastor Yinka. You can reach out to anybody that you know about it to educate you on it. He was saying that years ago he purchased Bitcoin for $500 and he sold it for $17,000 or $20,000. I can practically tell you that in 2020, November, December, I bought a particular coin for just $50. When 5 months after that $50, by the time I sold it, I gained over $4,500. When I sold that $50 coin, I sold it for 5,000 coin. So this thing is real. So let's just make ourselves, avail ourselves, position ourselves very well, because it's going to avoid people from going to bank, into having transaction with the banks, and it's going to eliminate all these fees, all these bank charges, getting loans, having credit cards, getting loans, and making some few people rich, because the interest that we pay on our credit cards, the interest that the banks charges us, when you deposit money, they charge you. When you withdraw money, they charge you. If you overdraw your money, they will charge you for that. If you don't pay your what is it, your
maintenance fee,
whatever fee, if you have a credit card and you don't pay your limit on time, they will charge you for late fee. All this amount, little amount that they are charging from millions and thousands of people, is making somebody rich. So this opportunity of crypto is coming to eliminate all these charges that people are charging us, because it's going to be peer to peer. It's me sending Bitcoin to Pastor Yinka, Pastor Yinka sending Bitcoin to me. I'm sending Bitcoin to somebody else in China. Somebody else in London is sending me some money, and I don't have any interaction with bank. Before you know it, bank will fold up. And I know that there's a recent article that just came out in America that bank industry, they are trying to adopt coins into their system. So whether we like it or not, this is the time for us to join. So Bitcoin, cryptocurrency has come to, I personally believe that it's going to disrupt the bank industry. So here I submit my little contribution to what I have to say to that.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much, Crypto Mama. Thank you for your insight, the little insight. Even though you refused to give us the name of that coin you bought, maybe we would have bought.
I can tell you, it's Doge. It's Dogecoin. I bought it when it was fraction.
Okay, I got
When
you.
it was 0.00034. By the time I sold it at 0.034, something like that.
Okay, that's a lot of interest.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing with us. We really appreciate you. Is Yinka still there, please? Because we are expecting is that David Agbola here to present?
David Ajibade is here.
Oh, David Ajibade. Okay,
he's in his car now. We can see him in his car driving.
We can see you now. Let's wait so that he can park properly. We don't want any. Okay, are you ready for us?
Yeah,
okay.
I think ready. Yeah.
Now, he will be presenting for us for about 8 minutes. Please, I will really appreciate your presentation. Thank you.
Much, everybody. I'm very grateful for this, excuse me, this opportunity. Few years ago, I was hearing about Bitcoin, but I didn't even give it a thought. I didn't even entertain anything about it. Then the person that really introduced me to cryptocurrency is Pastor Yinka. And then I don't know, that day I can't really remember how we got started. Then he mentioned it to me, and I think he trained me how to understand, the crypto, send me some information about it. And from that day, I have never lost interest in crypto. Then I started, doing findings, reading and studying about crypto. Then I started investing in crypto. I've never lost any money in crypto. That's number one. Never lost any money in crypto. Then number two is that I introduced somebody else also into. I'm just giving a background, and I will make my presentation very short. I introduced somebody into crypto with what everybody has been saying about, the volatility of cryptocurrency. I remember when I was telling a friend of mine in Canada about crypto, I said, invest what you think you won't kill yourself if the price, are deep. And then, so she invested and she made money from it. Actually, the deal was that, if you make money from it, I'm not going to ask you anything. You're going to give me 10% of it. And she actually gave me the 10% of what she made from crypto. She's still investing in crypto till now, till date. Anyway, now coming to the topic of, putting $1,000 into crypto 5 years ago compared to today, what we have in price today. In 2016, I'm using Bitcoin as a benchmark. In 2016, Bitcoin was $434 in 2016. If somebody, you have $1,000 in 2016, and then you decided to use that $1,000 and put it into crypto, especially let's say Bitcoin in 2016. Today, as I'm talking right now, you should have $112,000 in your account if you sell it today. I don't know which, it's possible for somebody to invest into real estate in the same 2016 and make over 100,000 today, but it won't be $1,000. It's not possible. If you want to invest in 2016 in real estate, and probably you want to see probably around $100,000 now, probably you invest probably up to $1 million into that. So looking at crypto and real estate, you can't just beat that, because we have seen the trend, how people investing into crypto, walking away with millions, like what Crypto Mama was talking about. The Dogecoin, I have studied the story of people. Some of them, they invested probably like $10,000, $8,000. There was a guy who invested $8,000 into Dogecoin. He walked away with millions of dollars, probably about $60 million. That was probably like a few months ago. So when it comes to crypto, compared to real estate, I know people say, oh, it's very risky. Real estate is also very risky, because remember what happened during this Lehman Brothers, when the prices of real estate housing dropped so much, and the market crashed. The same thing also can happen. But we need to understand, what we need to really look into is that, even if you invest into crypto and the price drop, from what I've seen over a period of time, it doesn't drop beyond maybe few months. it comes up again. It comes up again. And again, when the price goes down, let's say you bought 10,000 Bitcoin, and then you bought it at 1 million, and the price drops down to 200,000. You are still maintaining the quantity of the Bitcoin, which is 10,000. It's only the value. So once the price comes up, you are getting even much more than what you pay in before. So I believe that we can compare, real estate, to cryptocurrency right now. If I have money to invest now, I won't even give it a thought. Real estate would be the second option. Cryptocurrency would be the number one thing I want to invest into. Because even if you invest into cryptocurrency, the money you're going to make from cryptocurrency can actually even buy you real estate. The money you're going to make from cryptocurrency can actually buy you real estate. So that's the way, I see it. And I believe that, Pastor Yinka is doing a great deal. I really appreciate that. And I want to conclude by saying this. We all have this knowledge. We all have this experience. We all relate with cryptocurrency. What about we coming together, especially with the issue of this Kingdom Coin, and push it forward? So that's all I have to say. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, Crypto Mama. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much for your
you, sir.
insight and your presentation. I think is the last presenter. Am I correct?
Balo is here.
Okay. All right. Is the connection right? Hello, Balo, can you hear us? I don't think there is because it was sending through a chat.
Yeah, I think maybe there's a bad connection in it.
There's a bad connection. I just want to comment a bit before we wrap, because we said it will not be more than an hour. We are just, we only have about 10 minutes. And I know that in 10 minutes, we want to round up for 5 minutes. I just want to talk a bit about the Kingdom Coin issue David raised. I think.
Excuse me, sir. Do you mind I mute you and
Yeah, sure. Go
okay,
ahead.
all right. Thank you.
Go ahead. Yeah. I think that if we need more information on that, Yinka, people can reach out to Yinka. You'll be able to give more information on the Kingdom Coin and how people can be part of that. And I would like to give him the floor just to round up, to thank everybody. In terms of Balo's presentation, because I think he's got a connection problem, Yinka will share his presentation with people who are able to join us now. Because if he's talking, we would just be missing out on most of the things he's saying. So Yinka, you have the floor for the next 5 minutes to round this up.
You are not hearing me very well.
Oh, we are hearing you now.
We are hearing you now.
Okay, let me just give you 3 instances.
Okay. All right.
We're looking at crypto and stock market. Now, let me just give you 3 instances. In 2017, there was a woman, I told people about crypto and how they should buy. And then there was this widow who came to my office, and all what she had was 225,000 naira. And then she put it into Doge, 2017, around May. And then while we're still saying A plus B in 2018, the whole thing went down. It deep. And the woman one day came to the office and was looking at me as if I'm the second devil. She was crying. She was to be thrown away from the house, no husband. And then I was just telling her that everything will be all right. So since then, she just leave. Sometimes around May this year, somebody called me and said, Balo, have you seen Mrs. Ezekiel? She's doing well. She's buying houses. I said, what? Do you know that that 225,000 gave that woman over $400,000 this year? I don't think there's any stock that can produce such. Okay, Crypto Mama says something, how she bought a particular coin last year and then she made money. Now this year on the 15th of March, I put in $52 in a particular coin, and on the 20th of April, $52 turns to $4,720. I sold it in the morning. If I had known, I wouldn't have sold in the morning. I would have sold it around evening, because by evening of that day, that 4,720 will have given me 13,000 plus. That is what we can see in crypto. If you look at, lastly, let me just talk about this. If you look at Ethereum, within the last 5 years, let's say 2016 February, Ethereum was $10. But as we are talking now, is 3,300. So if you look at the margin, there is no stock that can give such. So I want to encourage everyone. Let's begin to let our people understand this thing. Like somebody was asking a question on the chat that the government policy here and there. The government cannot stop crypto. The maximum they can do is to regulate, because it is far beyond their reach. It is now, I can tell you categorically that their major fear is because this crypto is now bringing nobody to become somebody. I have thousands of people that can give, that I can tell myself, I'm an example. Is bringing this child of nobody to become somebody. In 2019, they told us to buy Torcoin in February, and it was 0.24. By August of the same year, it was $2,000. Can you imagine that percentage? So I want to encourage everyone, let us do everything. Pastor Yinka, if we can have a forum like this, it will go a long way to help people. So many people are still in the dark. God bless you.
Oh, thank you very much, Valo. That was a powerful, short presentation. We appreciate you. I will leave now to the celebrant to just round this up in the next 3 minutes so that everybody can, leave and say, no, we really.
Okay, we still have about, not 3 minutes. We started 5 minutes late, so we still have like 8 minutes.
Okay, all right.
Can I say something? Sorry.
Yes, Crypto Mama.
Sure,
Pastor Yinka, you are the celebrant. Happy birthday, by the way. Happy birthday to you. And may the Lord bless you. The Lord will increase you on every side. We'll rejoice with you. God bless you. What I want to say is it possible for you? Because I could see that some of us are knowledgeable in this cryptocurrency that we are talking about, and some are not knowledgeable. Is it possible for you to have like a group chat so that when any one of us happen to come across or to have knowledge or to have information about any upcoming crypto that might, that might be great tomorrow, so that everybody can actually tap into it, quickly buy it, and then because we have over 10,000 cryptos. Over 10,000. So I don't know if it is something you will look into, to form a group so that we can share our knowledge. Anybody that has opportunity or that knows that this coin is coming out and there's a potential for it, so that we can tell others they can quickly buy, because some people are not they are not privy to do some research on this thing, but while some people might have opportunity to research and then have information about it. That's just what I want to say, sir.
That's a good one.
That's a good idea. We'll form that one. That's what you said the last meeting we had. We are going to do that. And once again, I want to thank everybody that are here tonight. And I'm so excited because what somebody was saying, that was asking one day, is there, that what is your purpose on this earth? I said, I've seen that my purpose on this earth is to help people. You understand it? When I have a knowledge, I want to share with everybody so that everybody will be partakers of this knowledge. You understand it? That's why I'm saying that we are not asking anybody to buy anything tonight. You understand it? We are just giving us information that we can change our lives. That's the point. Because that my friend that said invest 10 million in real estate, and when I show him this thing, my friend he said this is incredible. I said, no, you know, all these things, they have data. We have data that you can go and look into it, and you will see. And you can hear the testimony of Crypto Mama, $50. You can hear the testimony of Balo and that woman, the woman that bought Dogecoin and sold it for $400,000. You understand it? Because this is I was telling somebody, I said the best time to live on this heart is now, because the opportunity is so great. The opportunity is so great. All these technologies, they are disrupting everything. People like the young man that started Ethereum, that guy was writing article for Bitcoin.com for $3.5 per article. And then he saw the way Bitcoin was working. He said, Then he brought out a white paper. After bringing out the white paper, they raised because when the people saw it, they raised $80 million within 3 days. That boy that was writing article for $3.5, that boy is worth $47 billion today. His father is not Donald Trump. His father is not rich. If his father is rich, he won't be writing article for $3. So the purpose of this is my birthday gift to you tonight. That let's look into this thing. Let's look into it. When we look into it, if you want to ask questions, ask me. If you want me to teach you how to do it, I will teach you. But we have our own coin, but I don't even want to talk about our own coin tonight. But I want to talk about this knowledge. That when we have knowledge is, somebody said knowledge is power. That is half-truth. Knowledge is not power. Knowledge is the application of power. You understand it? Like I said.
Hello. I'm sorry. Hello, I'm sorry. I just want to just say something.
Okay.
I don't know why you don't want to talk about the coin. When you say you don't want to talk about it.
No, I said I don't want to talk about it tonight.
This is not. This is a birthday forum, not the coin forum.
I said I don't want to talk about it tonight.
Oh, okay.
The Kingdom Coin, about Kingdom Coin.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm still going to talk to everybody that is here tonight about Kingdom Coin. But later. But I don't want to talk about it tonight. Tonight is my gift to people. Look, I'm telling you tonight that the gate man is dead. The gate man that is standing between us and our millions is dead. So everybody can tap into this thing. You don't even need to have too much money. If you have $100,
hello, Pastor Inka.
Sir.
Yeah, this is Richard from Nigeria.
I know, I can see your iPhone.
Sorry, please. What are some of us that probably the time does not really allow us to do all this trading? Can you recommend anybody to trade for us?
No. Oh, no.
Hello. If I may,
TJ.
Sorry, sir. Pastor Inka,
let me quickly answer.
Hold on a sec. Okay. I just want to say something. I think the answer to some of this question will come from what the Crypto Mama have said, that when a forum is created, when people who are knowledgeable in that forum are there, then people can tap into, oh, this coin is going to be valuable, that coin is going to be valuable. If you have $1, if you have $20, if you have 100 naira, 1,000 naira. But to go, and now I'm just letting Pastor Yinka, remember that what she has brought up, I think you are saying this is the second time.
Yeah, we're
It's
going
very
to
important. It's very important. So you can answer him.
Yeah.
You
So
can answer TJ now.
So TJ, like I said, I don't you are not going to trade. Trading is volatile. What you need to do, we call it hold. You just buy the coin and
Investment.
keep the investment. You are work of just leave it there. You know the money.
I think I can contribute to what he's actually asking, if I understood what he said very well, because I understand where he's coming from, because I know some people here and also in Nigeria that they have given me their little money, like $50, $100.
Okay.
That I should help them, because I know that some people, they don't know what to do.
Yes, true.
They don't even know how to go about it. So what I do, or what I did for them, when they send me the money, I buy the coin for them. When I buy that particular coin, I'll take the screenshot of that particular coin that I bought with the data and every information. I will send it to them. Keep it, because I cannot remember everything. So you keep it. This is what I bought for you. When the time comes when it is time to sell them, I will tell you how much you are going to make. So in that instance, you can get somebody who is trustworthy. But I can tell you that, like Pastor Yinka said, I don't know who said it, sometimes this thing might go down. Sometimes it goes up. Recently, people were like calling me, about 2 or 3 months ago, when everything was in the deep. A lot of people that I told that they should buy into it, they should invest, they were calling, what do I do? My money is going. I'm seeing my money is going down. I said, don't worry, just leave it. Close your eyes. Don't even look at it. There was a time that Bitcoin was $32,000. Today, it has gone up again. It's now $40-something thousand. So I understand what you are saying. Some people don't have that time to buy and keep. But if you see somebody, that's why I said, let's form this group. If we form this group, people that are willing to help out, you can reach out to them. Then it will be a mutual agreement between you and that person.
Okay.
But
great.
to give your money to
Mr.
somebody,
Moderator, can I just chip in something?
Yes, sir.
I think we have
Thank you,
to.
Mama.
I think we have
You
to.
just
We have
succinctly
to
answered the question.
We have to round up now.
Yeah, let me answer, Mr. Richard, please. 1 minute.
Just 1 minute. After 1
Just
minute,
1
Yeah.
minute. After 1 minute, we are
Sure.
closing.
I will mute
Just
you
listen
after
to me,
1 minute.
please.
Okay.
No familiarity, just listen to me. Mr. Richard, no trading for now. All you need to trade is your normal currency for any crypto that will be advised for you. And in the issue of the volatility, don't be afraid of volatility. I've studied crypto. I realized that volatility is the power of crypto itself, because it's a decentralized coins. And a lot of people, as more people come in, it flows in and flows out. It's not determined by other stable stocks or other franchise stocks like all other stocks. If you want to know more of this, just join the group that will be formed. Then you will be able to be informed.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. I think I can round it up now.
Yeah, thank you, everybody. I really appreciate everybody tonight. Pastor Joke Mama, thank you. Adeni Adeleke, thank you. Babatunde Ajayi Kotankota, thank you. Balo, thank you for coming. Baba Wuyi, thank you. Dr. Ola Chris, thank you. Brasheyi, thank you. Chegun, thank you. Williams, Yewande, Egi, thank you, everybody. So what I want us to do now is please just leave your WhatsApp number by the chat, because the gift, there's a bonus gift for everybody tonight. I'm going to send you 58 Kingdom coin. Today is my 58th birthday, and I'm giving you 58 Kingdom coin. And I tell you, this 58 Kingdom coin that we are getting today, in few years' time, can net you $100,000. Trust me and believe me. So thank you so much, everybody, for coming. Just quickly leave your WhatsApp number. Yes, leave your WhatsApp number. Then I'll contact you how to get your 58 Kingdom coin. Everybody, please leave your WhatsApp number. I'm going to give 58 coins to every
and the moderator we have double. right?
No,
Yes, so
no,
I agree.
no, the moderator is going to have 1,000 coins. The speakers, each of them, they will have 1,000 kingdom coins each. So
Thank you very much.
yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everybody,
Happy
for
birthday
coming.
once again.
Happy
So I'm
birthday.
leaving my number for you. Please, I'm expecting it.
Yes, no, no
All
problem.
right.
Everybody, please use 2 minutes to put your WhatsApp number, please. I'm
Before
saying
we
Thank you,
leave.
Pastor Inka. The best
Thank you
birthday
so
gift
much.
ever.
Thank
Thanks
you.
to the other
Thank you.
moderators for nice presentation.
Thank you
Thank you.
very
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. Yeah.
Bye.